Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. What's going on here?
Challenge going in, stand by.
He's looking to go wrong way down the motorway. Nice one, Dyson, towards Kingsbury. Stand by. Attempting a U-turn. Okay, we're back onto the roundabout now. Through a red ATS. High risk. Stand by. Just be careful, don't cut up in. Okay, he's trying to go wrong way down the motorway. There's nothing we can do to prevent that at the moment.
Luke, I'm spinning the roundabout to get the closure on.
It's the driver! Flying the driver!
Get out! Get arms out! Stop, dangerous drive! That's the motor vehicle! Arms out!
It's a class 2, it's 12.5 tonne. It's class 2, isn't it?
Yeah, back's a bit jolted.
Stay there, gents.
Stay where you are!
3 more. There you go, mate. Good boy. That's it. And then jump these off. Go on. 3, 2. There you go, mate. You got him.
Yeah.
What is scraping under that car?
Culture Code. I think is the name of those things.
It's a 50 zone.
There's documentation of the road.
What's your problem?
It's up there.
It's a 50
and
zone.
Stage of like, hey, you want to do stuff? Like,
You wanna
know,
drive?
for me, it's hard to even describe what I do.
Signs and signals clearly mean nothing to this driver. Who was at fault here? This driver must have had over-exaggerated with his reaction time. Is this a brake check or a driver realizing he just missed his turn? Wow, that was close. That must have scared a few insects, to say the least. Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it.
"12 seconds later.
I don't think you can drive there, mate. Wrong side of the road. Great. Holly, did this car just flip? Check your mirrors for more than half a second. This must have been painful to experience.
Oh, he probably hit the brakes to stop for the light and it slammed into him.
There's a cop behind me. Did it slide in the back of his cab?
I think it might
Yes,
have.
it did.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it did.
It started sliding. Oh.
It really hit him.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.